Hi everyone, I'm Maya and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this edgy Instagram inspired look. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and with that we can get right into it. First, I'm going to be using the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer to prime and moisturize my face. For concealer, I'm actually going to be using a foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Total Coverage Foundation in the shade 309. Now I'm going to quickly set the places that crease most easily for me, and to do that I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in the shade Golden Almond. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 330. And then I'm just going back into the powder to set my face. For contour, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I usually like to use a powder contour, but for this look, since I want my face to look dramatic and chiseled, I'm going to be using a cream contour. Then I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to highlight and clean up my cheek and jawline contour. Then I'm going to set it with the face powder. To highlight my under eye and clean up the nose contour, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal foundation from before and setting it with the face powder. And I'm just going over my nose contour again to really define it. Then going in with the Morphe 350M palette, I'm going in with this brown shade to intensify my contour. And I actually forgot to highlight my nose, so I went back in with the L'Oreal foundation to do that. Then going in with a warmer brown shade in the Morphe palette, I'm going to add warmth to my cheeks. Now I'm going to be moving on to eyeshadow. I'm going to be priming my lids with the LA Girl Concealer and setting them with the face powder. This is the post I'm using to base my look off of. I decided I wanted to try this style of makeup since this was the first time I blow dried and straightened my hair, and the way my hair came out definitely gave me a do a black edgy makeup look feel. Also, I forgot to show it, but I'm using the black shade in the Morphe 35P palette to go onto my outer corner, but any black shade will do. Then I'm using the LA Girl Concealer to clean up the inner and middle lid and setting it with face powder. As you can see, I've added an inner corner highlight and I've added a cat eye wing off camera, and then I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild black pencil liner and line my upper waterline. For lashes, I'm going to be stacking two pairs of lashes. The first pair is the Sephora Collection lashes in Lash Away. And the second pair is actually a stacked pair of the Eyelure Exaggerated number 143 and the House of Lashes in the style Sophia. So in total, I've stacked 3 pairs of lashes. Then with the pencil liner, I'm lining my bottom waterline. Then with the e.l.f. liquid liner, which I use for my wing, I'm going to attempt to draw on longer bottom lashes because I don't own any fake lashes for my bottom lashes. For the most part, this worked. It looked nice on one eye, but the other eye started to get kind of congested with all the product that was already on the bottom lash line. I started to go onto my bottom lashes with mascara, but this practically made no difference at all. Then I recurled my bangs and went in with the liquid eyeliner and added beauty marks. One under my eye and one above my lip. Then I used ColourPop's highlighter in the shade Glow Up to highlight my cupid's bow, and went back in with the pencil eyeliner to use it to line my lips. I then went in with MAC's lipstick Street Thing on the outskirts of my lips, used a black eyeshadow to mattify it. My first attempt at lips, I used this Kat Von D sample of the Lolita lipstick for my inner lip, but the way this came out was much darker than I wanted it to be, so I took it off and tried again. Then I put on the LA Girl concealer on my inner lips and set it with a beige tannish eyeshadow. Then darkened the outer corners with black eyeshadow, and then I repeated this process with the concealer and the tan eyeshadow. Finally, I went back in with the Lolita lip shade to add a tint of pink where I put the concealer. For my nose ring, I'm actually using a hoop earring like the ones I'm wearing. And I decided that it would look best as a septum piercing. And last but not least, I'm using the Morphe setting mist to set my face. I really liked how this makeup look ended up coming out, even if this wasn't my usual style of makeup. If you did like this look, please leave a thumbs up on the video and be sure to subscribe for more of my content. Please share this video with anyone who needs makeup ideas, makeup help, or is just a makeupaholic like me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.